everyone. So today I will be discussing the angle of elevation. Now to illustrate you the angle of elevation, let's have the definition first. So angle of elevation is an acute angle formed between the horizontal line of sight and the observer line of sight when viewing the object above the horizontal line of sight. So let us hear the real life example. Let us name first P stand for person. O is object. So here is the horizontal line of sight. And this is the observer line of sight. So the angle formed between the horizontal line of sight and observer line of sight, this is the angle of elevation. So here is the angle of elevation. So that is the angle of elevation. Now let's have our problem. If a tree casts a 60 feet long shadow and the angle of elevation from the end of the shadow to the top of the tree is 39.8 degrees, how high is the tree? So in solving right triangles, of course, we need to first our illustration. So we have here a tree. And it casts a shadow of 60 feet. So it has a shadow and from the tree to this point of shadow is 60 feet. So from this point to this point, it has a 60 feet. The angle of elevation from the end of the shadow to the top of the tree is 39.8 degrees from the end of the shadow to the top of the tree. So the angle of elevation, the angle here is 39.8 degree. Now we have our triangle here. So let's have our triangle. So triangle. This is the right triangle. We have here a given of 39.8 and degree and 6 feet. After getting the right triangle, determine the opposite side, adjacent, and the hypotenuse. So here is the reference angle. So here is our reference angle. The given angle is opposite to it is the opposite side is the adjacent. The hypotenuse and the opposite, of course. Opposite. So now the question is, how high is the tree? So this is an unknown. So unknown, let's say x. So x. So our unknown is opposite. We have the given adjacent. So the given here is the opposite and the adjacent. In our SOHCAHTOA, opposite and adjacent to one, that is the tangent function. So tangent function, or so tangent, tan 39.8 degree equal to the measure of the angle. So let's say x over adjacent, that is 60 feet. So 60. Cross multiply, so we have the x equal to 60 tangent 39.08 or 8 degree. So we need to use the scientific calculator or SciCal calculator to get the answer. So so all we have to do is to press the equal, and that is, the answer is 39. So the unknown, or the x, is 49.99. We have our unit F, feet. We have the unit, so feet. So therefore, the height of the tree is 49.99 feet. So that is our measure of the height of the tree.